Hello guys, welcome to INS TechSoft channel. Today I am going to talk about media. So what is media? We have different types of media available here: television, radio, internet, computer, newspaper. These are all the social media, but coming to our network, media is nothing but communication medium. In our network, transmission medium is nothing but the way of in which the data is transmitted from one place to another place. Guys, simply we can say media is nothing but sending the data from one place to another place with the help of backbone or cable or wire is called also media. Here media we have two types, guided, unguided. Guided media is also called as wired media. Unguided media is also called as wireless media. Here, wide media or guided media or the cables that are tangible have a physical existence. Means the signals have to traveling through this channel, that is physical media. Means bounded transmission means having connecting between a source and a destination using these cables or wires. Again, we have three types of cables involved. Those are twisted pair cable and coaxial cable and fiber optical cable. In fact, twisted pair cables is the pair of copper wires. Means the copper wires are the most common used for the transmitting signals because of it has a good performance and low cost. A twisted pair cable consists of two conductors, normally copper, and it's a plastic insulation, and out of these two wires only one carries actual signals and another one is used for the ground preferences. So to identify the every cable, these cables are color coded, and the twisted between wires are the useful for and helpful for reducing the noise and electromagnetic interference and crosstalk. These type of cables are called as for telephonic lines, and these cables is used for mostly telephonic lines. See guys, the twisted pair cables are again divided into two types. Those are the unshielded twisted pair cable, that is the UTP, and twisted pair cable, that is STP. See guys, unshielded twisted pair cable UTP, it is more a common cable, and UTP costs are less than STP cable, and due to its many use, it's a low cost. UTP cabling it existing for lines and telephonic connections. See here, in UTP cables consist of two or four pairs of twisted pair cables. So here one thing is RJ11 connector. It has a 6 pins, and these resisted jack 11. It is a telephonic interface. It is used. So the twisted white space and the modular jack. It has a 2 or 4 or 6 contacts. So RJ11 is the common connector for plugging a telephone into the wall and all the handset into the telephone. See guys, RJ45 cable with two pairs it has same, and this RJ45 is a type of connector that's commonly used for Ethernet networking. See, it looks similar to a telephonic jack, but it has a slightly wider. See here how the RJ45 connector is connecting here. The Ethernet over copper cable connector, it's what plugs into the back of your computer, which mainly used for the computer networks like Ethernet networking, which is used to connect different types of devices like switch, hub, PC, router, firewall, etc. Next, STP, shielded twisted pair. Here, this type of cable has a metal foil covering which encases each pair of insulator conductors. Here, shielding also eliminates the crosstalk, and it is similar to UTP, but as a mesh shielding that protects. It's a form of electromagnetic interface which allows for higher transmission rate. It is more expensive than coaxial and unshielded twisted pair, that is UTP. Coming to uses of shielded twisted pair cables used for industrial settings with high amount of electromagnetic interference, such as factory with large EMI equipment where they can be properly installed and maintained here. UTP cables are mostly commonly used for Ethernet connections also. Coming to advantages of these UTP cables, the transmission of data is very quickly and at high speed of that is 100 Mbps, and the cabling carries the data is including packets, the packets of information like internet as well as commercial computer networks. Here one main thing is through both inner wires and not just one wire, using both wires, it reduce the data and transmitting the delays, because here we are using both inner wires. Coming to next one, coaxial cable. See guys, the coaxial cables are the copper cables with better shielding than other pair cables, so that transmission signals may travels longer distance and also high speed. These shield minimize the electrical and the frequency range interferences. These cables are the primary type of cabling used by the cable television industry. So, it is also widely used for the computer networks such as Ethernet cables. See guys, the coaxial cable, the diagram, outside insulation is the first, and the middle the copper coated the mesh type is there, and the top view the insulation wire, and see the first copper wire. So it is formed around. So the second outer copper wire is wrapped around, it's used to protect from external any electromagnetic interference like noise. These all covered by plastic covered, used to protect the inner all layers from these layers guys. Of course these also damage such as fire, water, it is helpful. So in this way the coaxial cable is working the inner side. Next one, fiber optical cable. So these fiber optical cables is made of by high quality of thin glass or plastic, and it is used to transfer digital data signals in the form of light up and the distance thousands of miles guys. Fiber optical cables are not offered by any other physicals. The fiber optical cables, the distortion is very less and noise also. Fiber optical cables, every communication signals using the pulses of or light of generated by very small lasers, or we can say light emitting diodes. Coming to advantages of fiber optical cables, it has a much high bandwidth than metal cables. This means that they can carry the more data. So it has smaller size and lightweight, and it has a low attenuation. So these cables are not affected electromagnetic interface, and signals carrying the data can traveling the long distances without weakening the switchable for industrial and noise areas guys. So this is about different types of medias we have to see in the video guys. Those are UTP, STP, and fiber optical cables and coaxial cable and twisted pair cable. This is about all the media we have to see here. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching.